What's going on, everybody? It's Aaron here. So if you haven't heard the news, most likely if you're watching this video, you already know, Facebook just released this feature called Facebook Shops, which is going to allow businesses, especially small businesses, to get online and start selling their products or services online. So in this video, I'm going to go into detail about how to set it up step by step. So let's get right into it. So if you don't know me already, my name is Aaron Bogle. My goal is to grow a six-figure SMMA agency. If you want to join me on this journey, be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button below to get content. I post at least twice a week, and you're going to get awesome content about, how to do different things on Facebook, tips and tricks on how to, get customers through Facebook, as well as if you're an SMMA agency, how to get clients. I focus really heavily on that as well, but let's get right into it. So I'm on this page here that I made a really long time ago. I think I was trying to do affiliate marketing, but I just gave up on that really quickly. So this is just going to be the example page we're going to use for the shop. So let's say you're on your page right now, and you might usually where the shop is, you have to click on more, and then you're going to see the shop tab here. If you don't see it immediately, what you're gonna have to do is you want to go on your page settings, and then once you're on page settings, you want to go on templates and tabs, and then once you're in your templates and tabs, you want to edit it and you want to change it to shopping. I already did that here, but if you're selling some online products, if you're a local business, or if you're a restaurant as well, you can do the same exact thing as well. So then you can just click on shopping, and of course you can design where the shopping tab appears. And yeah, so this is my current template. So I'm just gonna go back and start the setup process. Okay, so once we're there, you're gonna click on to shop, and then Facebook's gonna have this set up your shop section. So obviously you have to agree with the merchant terms and policies. You can list products for sales, deliveries, returns, and disputes, and treatments of user data. And it's pretty much you can have your own e-commerce store right on Facebook. So we're going to accept it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to say, okay, how do you want people to buy from you? Do you want them to send them a message to buy or check out another website? So if you already have an established website where people are buying stuff from you already, you want to click on this. But if you don't have any website, if you're just getting started off the ground, you want to sell directly on Facebook, which is viable, just click message to buy. Then next step, they're going to ask you, okay, what currency do you use? We're in the US, so we do that. Okay, so boom, here we are. We are in our shop. So it's simple as that. So let's go add our product. So yeah, so what you can do is you can add your photos, you can add videos, you can put the name of the product, the price, and then you can have a click here and it's like, oh, if it's on sale. This is a really good tactic. So actually, let's do something. For example, so let's say for the most part we're going to be selling this mug. Let's pretend that we sell this mug. We're going to use this photo, and then if we had any videos work really well, and then we can just name it Hustle Mug, and then let's say it's usually $24.99, but it's on sale for $19.99. And then you type in your description, Hustle Mug, show your entrepreneurial side. We're just gonna say show your hustleness, dedication, and then you can share it to your page, which is nice. So it'll automatically post it to your page, and then of course you can get it public or unpublished if you want to, make someone check it over, something like that. And of course you want to add as many photos and videos as you can, hustleness to your side, and then make it public. And then you can choose a condition, new, refurbished, used like they new, and then you add product. And boom, that's it. We just added a product on Facebook. And as you can see here, we could do the sale. When we did the sale price, it was $24.99, and now it's $19.99. Very easy, just like that. So that way, if people go on your page, they click on shop, they can just click on it and buy what your product is selling. Obviously, if you don't have much traffic going to your site, you can create an ad and it will go into the Facebook Ads Manager and start the process for you. Okay, so now that we're in the Facebook ad campaign, it's actually pretty interesting. You can choose have all products in the store. You can retarget people who's interactive with your page, which is actually really interesting. And then you can find prospective customers. So that's just using the demographic targeting, the normal ones. And then it goes, you do the same exact step-by-step thing from there. Set your budget, all that. And then the campaign that they choose for you is catalog sales, because you are selling like a product, and that's the best one you can use. And then for the ad, and then what they have for the ad is people can just browse through a catalog, and then they can buy it right on Facebook. And then since I have message to buy, they can do the whole transition right on Messenger, and they don't have to get off Facebook and stuff like that. Make sure that you want to view your page as a visitor, just to see what it will look like in general. So then we're going to click on the shop icon here, and then we can see that the product is like that. Then it goes into this. Then people can save it, people can rate the product, shippings and returns and all that. And it tells you the sale price, which is pretty automatic, and it's pretty automatic. It's pretty nice as well. Okay, so now that we've listed a product and we got our shop set it up, obviously you want to add more products and stuff like that. Let's add a couple things to it, so that way people actually want to go ahead and buy from us. So what you want to first do is you want to make a description of what you guys sell. So click here to say we sell merch that makes you want to sell to others. So you could say something like that. Just have a description that gives people incentives, like, okay, who you are, what you do, and what you're selling, and all that stuff. So you can do something like that. And then what you want to do, just to make it, you can add collections right here. So if you have let's say you had a collection of mugs, or you had a collection of t-shirts and all that, you can just click on add collection, and then people can just browse different collections and all that fun stuff, right? So we're not going to get too much into that, but overall you can see you can add click add collection up here. You can have the collection name, list all the different products and all the different stuff that you have as well. So then what you want to do is you want to click on this sidebar here, and then you can do different things to it. Obviously, if you want help, you can always do that as well. And just another thing to be aware about that if you do Facebook Shop, there are some fees that happen. So they deduct a fee, and they do this automatically for a selling fee. So it's a 5% per shipment fee, or a flat fee of 40 cents. And it's going to include taxes, payment process, and all that stuff. So if you want to learn more about the fees that Facebook may charge you, be sure just to go into the help center here. You can just type in more about sales fees. But I'm making this video during a 9 of COVID-19. So they're going to be waiving the selling fees and then subsidizing the shipping costs, and until June 30th of 2020. So if you're watching it before then, you'll possibly just not have any fees to deal with. So this is pretty much just going to take you to the back end of the shop, and the different stats and stuff for all of your products and stuff. So for example, you can see that your inventory, if your product is available, the views, the messages sent, and stuff like that. And then also down here you can see if you have any pending orders, your current orders, and then of course you can always just go back to your shop when you need it. So, and then if you never like your shop and you just want to delete it, you can always just delete your shop, and then you can always remake it and do something else with it as well. So with this, I'm gonna actually make a new shop, but going through if you have a landing page as well. So I'm just gonna click agree with the merchants, and then this time, instead of message to buy, we're gonna check out how to set up if you do it for another website. And then US dollars. Overall, it's the same exact process. No matter what you do, you can just add the product, Facebook photos, do the mug, we'll do that again, and then we'll just do mug this time, make this quick and easy. And then this time, instead of there's no URL like before, there's a checkout URL now. So now you just paste the URL, the landing page or the sales page that you want the product to go to, and then it can go through all your own details through that. So that is exactly how to make a Facebook shop quick and easy, in and out, and how to optimize it as well. Be sure to click on the video up there so you can know how to run ads to get people to go to that shop. I'll see you guys in that video. Take care.